Yeah, what my people? Me there, big up. Respect and the manners teach and everyone. I have videos I'm going to present to you know. Videos that have been talked about on social media, alright? Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. And this video is going to show some things that happened after a truck that was being driven by someone collided with a bus that was being driven by someone. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you is going to show a truck that was being driven by someone that somehow hit a bus that was being driven by someone. In my point of view, and based on some words that have been said in the video that I'm about to present to you, I got the understanding that there was at least one person somewhat showing a type of respect for one of the motorists. You see me and some people? Now, I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any form of injury, nor about any fatality. But I'm going to present the video to you so you can get a good understanding about this whole situation. And please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
See the people in my life. There you go. Imagine that man lock it up and look at that. You would get a Grammy, you would never know it with a bad dog. But someone in that turn heat up like that. Be people are bad brother. Yeah, we look at that bad brother. You know, I will take it piece out too. Good cloud.
See that? You ever hear about what they call it, a jackknife or something like that? Something almost a jackknife or something like that. You see me I say? The people basically when me see that situation then it's like me start a think and I say to myself, say, yo, what if the back they somehow slide off of the truck or the trailer head then, as well some people that say we are pull the back. You see me and some people can look at the front, look at the trailer head there, look at the front of the truck there, look how it's set. You see me and say, and look on the back part there. You ain't supposed that it fly off or so forth. All them things they may look on that. Quite a number of danger, me see, in that. That's a dangerous situation right there, some people. So me I say, yeah, there are more than one pieces of videos posted on social media about that situation, alright? But just present a piece so you can have an understanding about the situation. You can let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, now here I am going to put together and present to you pieces of videos that shows some things that happened because of a confrontation between at least two persons. Yeah, I got the understanding from those pieces of videos that there was some form of confrontation between at least two persons, and the confrontation escalated to a point where two persons throw objects at each other, viewers and subscribers. The video also shows one of those persons holding an object that looks like some type of knife. Looks like a knife to me. You see me and some people? And you know, the situation really and truly looked very hostile. You see me and say, because objects have been thrown, certain words have been said, you see me and say, and me I try to get a good understanding as to what caused a situation like that. But however, the pieces of videos are being talked about on social media, and I don't know where and when these pieces of videos are being recorded, but persons who can hear talking in these pieces of videos use Jamaican accent to talk. So may I present them to you and you can let me know what you think. And please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in these pieces of videos, and these pieces of videos shows when persons throw objects at each other. So some of the scenes in these pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here they are. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think of people. Observe.
that time she give my blood clot.
Hey, man, now some clothes up on the line. Man, now some clothes there, my girl. Hey, my girl, come out of here, don't go here. That's what I'm going to do. Come out and go on, you know. Go and put them in there now.
Mash up backyard.
Go and put them in there.
Now, it is more than obvious that something went wrong between those two persons. So, I say, my people, yeah, I think it is more than obvious that something went wrong between those two persons. And, you know, it made me assume if there was a certain type of relationship between those persons. Because based on certain outer harder words, or me at least one of those persons said, I said to myself about, wait, this sounds somewhat personal, you know, certain ways. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I start to wonder if there was certain type, should I say, if there was a certain type of relationship between those persons. I start to wonder, you know, mere allegation. That me I go say mere this. So, you me I said, now overall, I answer to each and every one still, you know, and me know that no one is perfect. But me still I go put a good word out there, you know, to each and every one. Just try and talk over your differences. At all times, try and talk over your differences. You see me and say, I mean, if even me, I do something wrong, I want to look for me and tell me, say, yo, Skilla, calm down and try and talk over your differences. Yeah, nobody not perfect. So even if me I go wrong, know that like you, my viewers and subscribers, and look at this and say, yo, Skilla, you do something wrong, brother. Yeah, because nobody not perfect. Alright, so anyways, let me know what you think about the situation that you can see and hear in those pieces of videos. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica, and this video is going to show some things that happened when police officers from within the country of Jamaica was arresting or detaining a person. Now, based on some words that had been said in the video by a certain amount of persons, it seems as if there was some persons at the location at the time when the video had been recorded who did not agree with the way how police officers we can see in the video was handling the situation. The video shows a person laying face down on the ground, and in my point of view, the video shows law enforcers who worked together in order to restrain the person and to also arrest and or detain the person as well to viewing subscribers. You see me I say? And one of the reasons why I present this video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. This video is one of those videos that I don't post on social media without certain information as to why the person was being detained or arrested by law enforcers or police. You see me I say? But the video is being talked about on social media. And would I like to tell you what I think about a situation like this, nevertheless. And I wanted to please bear in mind that in this video, you can hear persons talking loud, and the video actually shows a person who was laying down on the ground, and police was somewhat using force to restrain and also arrest or detain the person. See? So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Moving on, them spray me.
Well, Move, get out the way. Me I look on that area there in the video. You see me I say, I look on which part certain things happen there. You see, people. So I just one of them videos there that have been posted on social media where speculations, assumptions, and allegations are made about the video. But when it comes on to confirm information about the situation, don't get any. You see me I say, but the video is being talked about on social media. Nevertheless, I can know about it. You can let me know what you think. And I think here's where I'm going to leave it to my people. So big up and respect to each and every one. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.